Treat your senses to a rainforest exhibition like no other in the heart of the stunning Blue Mountains. Set beneath towering sandstone cliffs, just a stone's throw from Sydney, the natural beauty of the ancient Jurassic rainforest will relax your mind, while awe-inspiring installations will intrigue and inspire. Step into another world of pristine nature and mesmerising artworks that will move you. Illuminate your senses and take your art's discovery to new heights. Explosions of colour and shape will capture the hearts of young and old as they explore the unique arts trail with an exhibition entrance like no other. Plan your arts escape to the Blue Mountains today at Sculpture at Scenic World. Open April 13 to May 13.